In this video, we will show you how to connect and configure the Airzone-Mitsubishi Heavy Communication Gateway. The gateway is made up of three elements: a connector for the Airzone system's main control board and a fixing post, a configuration microswitch, a connector for Mitsubishi Heavy AC units. Turn off the power to both your Airzone system and your Mitsubishi Heavy AC unit before making the connections. Connect the gateway to the AC unit port on Airzone's main control board and secure it using the fixing post supplied. Then, connect the gateway to the XY port on the Mitsubishi Heavy AC unit using a 2-core shielded cable. To ensure the proper operation of the communication gateway, do not disconnect the Mitsubishi Heavy thermostat from the AC unit. Once all the connections are successfully made, configure the microswitch if necessary. The gateway automatically detects the indoor unit fan speeds available. Finally, it's time to power up the Airzone system and the Mitsubishi Heavy AC unit. Check all the status LEDs on the gateway to verify correct operation. Power supply LED, microprocessor activity LED, communication LEDs, gateway system, communication LEDs, gateway AC unit. Once the Airzone system is configured, select any operating mode other than stop to generate demand in a zone and check that the Mitsubishi Heavy controller receives the commands from the Airzone system.